driving lessons. Teaching Gabe to drive in our back pasture. I hope he's not a stock car driver like his dad.
I am. That's what I want to be when I grow up.
Well, you be careful. Your dad's torn up that one truck pretty bad by driving it so hard. Alright, let me out here. I'm going to take a picture. You drive by and go down there and then pick me back up. Whoa!
Sorry.
An 11-year-old with my truck. Go again. Go again. This is part of my backyard.